Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a keypad on a dark IP. So, you want to find a place where you want a keypad. I'm not sure if I don't know. Let's go down here. I'm missing textures because I ain't got the whole packet. I've got Counter-Strike source, but okay, here. Imagine if you wanted to place here, like a little. So you want to get a fading door. It's just from props. Fading door. Plug it in, and then get the I'm gonna get this. Can go construction props, iron door, and I'm gonna go fading door. Any button you want, to 1, 2, or 3, or anyway, anything. I have to put it to that. So then you click that button. Then you go keypad, and then click all of these, and then you don't click all of any of these here. You just click the button that you chose for your keypad here on the quantum key, and hold them for 5 seconds or longer. You have to put it to 5 seconds. You don't mess with all this stuff. And you want to keep up there. You put your code up here. So then you enter the code. Consider. And put another one there. So then now you've got a fading door. And if you want to add a little bit more, you can do. Materials. Any of these materials. On this. And now when you get outside, you look like that. Tools, you can change it to that. Change it to that if you wanted. Change it to that. Change it to that. Anything you want, really. It's up to you. I'm gonna put my back for now. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll show you if it works. Yep, it works. I kept it on the save to get back out. Because that's on the other side of the iron thing. It's gonna look like that, so you can look through. Oh yeah, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Be much grateful, please. I'm gonna do a Q&A on my 10th subscribers. Yeah. So I'm just gonna exit the video now, and hope you guys have a good day. Out.